Useful sentences when you have a cold. 39. I have a fever. Am temperatură. I have a fever. Or, I have a temperature. Oh, I've got a headache. Am o durere de cap. I've got a headache. Or, I've got a stomach ache. Am o durere de stomac. I've got a stomach ache. I have a sore throat. Mă doare gâtul. I have a sore throat. I have a runny nose. Îmi curge nasul. I have a runny nose. I have a cough. Am o tuse. I have a cough. Or, I'm coughing. Tușesc. I'm coughing. I feel nauseous. Îmi vine rău. I feel nauseous. I feel dizzy. Mă simt amețit. I feel dizzy. I have chills. Am frisoane. I have chills. Or, I have muscle aches. Am dureri de mușchi. I have muscle aches. Thanks for watching. Bye. Urmăriți și o explicație a tuturor acestor expresii în materialul de la linkul din descrierea de sub acest videoclip.